In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create the appearance of sub-collections in Shopify, even though this platform doesn't natively support them. This requires a clever workaround using Shopify's navigation menu and collection pages, often with the aid of custom templates. This solution allows your customers to smoothly navigate from main categories to specific subcategories, improving the browsing experience on your online store. Let's start by creating what we'll refer to as parent and sub-collections. Head over to the Shopify admin dashboard, then click on Products, followed by Collections. Here, you can set up your main parent collections along with their sub-collections. For instance, if you're showcasing art, you might have a parent collection named Original Photorealistic Art, and within that, sub-collections such as birds and animals. Make sure that each sub-collection is filled with the relevant products to ensure your customers can find exactly what they're looking for once they click through. After organizing your collections, let's modify the navigation menu to facilitate easy access. Navigate to Online Store, and then select Navigation. You can either create a new menu or adjust your existing main menu to represent your newly designed collection structure. Here, menu items for your parent collections should be added. With a simple drag-and-drop action, you can place your sub-collection items under their respective parent collection items. This maneuver creates a visually pleasing, nested drop-down menu structure. This drop-down menu is essential because it visually organizes your collections and provides a straightforward path for navigation when visitors are on your store. As users hover over a parent collection in your menu, they can easily spot and click on specific sub-collections that interest them. This setup not only enhances the user experience, but also potentially increases product discovery and sales by seamlessly connecting customers to the products they're seeking. While Shopify doesn't provide the sub-collection feature out of the box, this strategy empowers you to mimic the functionality, leveraging Shopify's existing tools to craft an organized and approachable online shopping environment. Don't forget to consistently review your collection organization and navigation setup, ensuring they remain intuitive and aligned with your product offering as it grows and evolves. Remember, a well-structured menu is a critical component of an effective online store, guiding your customers toward making confident purchasing decisions.